Hey guys, today I want to share with you how I made this creamy tomato pasta with smoked sausage and mushrooms. I got all of these ingredients at Aldi and I'll put the ingredients in the description box. This is a super easy recipe and it's healthy and guilt-free. So if you're craving pasta and you're on a diet, I really recommend this. It makes about 4 to 5 meals, so you're set for the week if you make this for one night. I'm using chickpea rotini. It tastes delicious and it's really healthy. It's packed with protein, vitamins, and fiber. First thing you want to do is bring 6 cups of water to a boil. I substituted 2 of those cups for chicken broth just to give it a little bit of extra flavor, but you don't need to do that. Only if you want to. Then start prepping the mushrooms by rinsing them off well and slicing them up, or just buy some mushrooms that are already sliced to save the time. Next, slice up the turkey kielbasa polka sausage, or your favorite type of healthy, leaner sausage. Then just add the pasta to the water. Set a timer for 7 minutes, then drain it when it goes off. Now add a drizzle of olive oil to a pan over medium-high heat. Add the sausage and toss it in the olive oil. I seasoned it with these 3 simple seasonings. You can use your favorites. I just don't recommend using a salty seasoning since this is already salted. Then toss it around and let it cook evenly for about 2 minutes on each side. The pasta is going to finish but when you're still cooking, so just set it to the side. And set the sausage to the side. Do the same thing and drizzle a little bit of olive oil in that same pan over medium-high heat. Next, I just plopped that ground turkey in there and started breaking it apart. Then I seasoned it with 3 basic simple seasonings: seasoned salt, garlic powder, and black pepper. Can never go wrong. Once I get it all crumbled up and flipped around and parts are turning brown and there's some naked pieces still, I season it again because I want my meat to be flavorful. Just keep flipping it and breaking it down until all of the pieces are brown, then just let it cook for an additional 10 minutes. As this is cooking for an additional 10 minutes, throw the sausage and mushrooms in there and season the mushrooms with some seasoned salt and garlic powder. Give it a toss and add the can of diced tomatoes, the can of pesto, and the can of tomato paste. Then give it a toss. We're basically done at this point. Now just add the pasta and toss that up. If you really want to feel good about this dish, then add some freshly grated parmesan cheese and parsley. That's it, you guys. I hope you really enjoy this recipe, and I recommend vegans or vegetarians to try this out. Just substitute all of the meat for your favorite vegan protein, and it's a wrap. Enjoy!